Okay, so let's talk about the color tool. In this same work has work with the colors. So this is the color. This is what I just tapped now. This part here has the color. Tap it and it pop up. So we have the plus bar. That's the color that you saw initially. This color you saw here initially. If we want to work on our skin and we don't actually know what to use, so we take the color from our skin just to work on. Now it has shown here this bar here, so it's showing you the color you just picked. If I pick like I said, we're here to work on colors. Once you have eyedropped your color, you can press plus to add it to your palette board and work on. So that's what the plus sign just literally does for you. And then the palette, these are your palettes. For you, you can edit, you can just hold them long and drag them to the dustbin icon to get to be deleted. So it's just that simple. So if you want to work on this color palette, it's not going to be a hard thing. You can just tweak it a little and then press plus and you get different palettes for that shade and all wherever you need. So that's how you create your palettes. Then for your save, let's say you want to save this palette because you passed through a lot to finally get your own palette for a particular skin type. Let's say you want to save this. Let's just call it abnormal because this is not actually a good color. So let's say abnormal. Press save. Now I've saved this palette. If you want to use it, just press open and find the name of your palette. Look at it, abnormal. This palette. These are so many other palettes that I have. But the issue now is that this particular app I have here won't let me use any palette. Once I tap any palette here, it will refresh my drawing to look as if I just opened the drawing from the beginning. And once I press color, it won't pop up. So that's the issue I'm having. So the good part was that at least I knew how to get my skin shades on time. So now I don't have all these issues. But it's still a hard work. And what I just plan to do is, what I advise you to do if you are also having this issue is save all your projects on your folder separately, delete the app, delete the folder, the app folder, look for another Infinite Design app, install APK, install it and try it out and see if that color stuff will is working out. If it's working out, fine. If it's not working out, try many others. There are many Telegram links you can check out for or online out there. Just check anyone that works out for you. But if you feel like you're comfortable and you're not scared of colors, then you can just stay like I am doing here. If not, you know what to do. So that's it for this 3 button. You can either save your made up palette and open a already saved palette. Then this is your settings here on the color. You can increase the blue in it, increase the green, and that's just about it. Hue, this for hue, H for hue, S for saturation, and this is just whatever it is there. And then this is the eye drop to which you can use and pick a color there. So that's just about it. That's all for the color tool right here. Thank you. Same thing applies to this place here. If you press color here, it's about the same thing. So yeah.